At the end of at the end of this presentation, we as students should be able to define what perfectionism is, identify a perfectionist with their common traits, and state and explain how perfectionism reduces stagnancy in our one and academic life journey.
Perfectionism. Perfectionism is a personality trait that involves having unrealistic high standards and expecting perfection from oneself and others. It can be healthy when it motivates a person to overcome challenges and achieve success, but in most instances, infinite evaluation with tangible actions.
Perfectionism, it can be healthy when it motivates us to overcome ourselves and achieve success, but it can be bad when it allows us to do over ourselves. This means that perfectionism, when we exhibit perfectionism, we try to do over ourselves and we set unrealistic standards that we can't achieve. Perfectionism and their salient attribute. Firstly, who is a perfectionist? A perfectionist is somebody that sets excessively high standards. High standards. A perfectionist sets very high expectations coming from oneself and others. This means that perfectionists want accepting not to only for perfection. But there's a saying that goes, no one is perfect except for Allah. This can manifest criticism in oneself and others. This means perfectionists criticize oneself and others and are quick in finding mistakes in their work. Perfectionism salient attributes: fear of failure, procrastination, comparison to others, and overly critical of oneself and others. First, the fear of failure. Perfectionists have a strong fear of submitting their work to fear of failure. This means that perfectionists do not, if they are given a task to do, they don't submit it because of the fear of failing the task. Second is procrastination. Perfectionists often delay tasks in order for them not to be criticized, and it usually peg a perfectionist to one spot, which leads to stagnancy. Third, on comparison to others. Perfectionists often compare their work to others. For example, when a perfectionist and others are given work to do, perfectionists don't use their creativity. They compare their work to others and copy others for the overly critical of oneself. Perfectionists set very high standards and are quick in finding mistakes in their work, and they criticize others and themselves for making mistakes. Strength of perfectionism: stress and anxiety. When perfectionists are given work to do, they stress over it and have anxiety. Second, depression. When perfectionists are given a work to do, when they submit it and they are told that your work is perfect, but they feel depressed and start having mood swings. Third one, low self-esteem. Perfectionists when they are submitting a work, but their supervisor said that their work is perfect, but they start lack of self-confidence and self-esteem. Inefficiency. Perfectionists are major in wasting time, and they said that the time that they are giving is not much. The fifth one is stifled creativity. Perfectionists don't use their creative mindset, but they compare to others and copy others' work, which stifle their creative minds.
How to overcome perfectionism. Create realistic goals, always take action and learn, avoid procrastination and overbrooding or exercise planning. See every mistake as privilege to learn new things. Celebrate your achievements.
When you create realistic goals, you set ideal goals that you are able to attain, not setting unrealistic goals that you cannot attain, and you should be consistent about the goals. Second one, always take action and learn. You need to take action and learn. You need to take action and learn from others in order for you to overcome perfectionism. Avoid procrastination and overburden or excessive planning. This means that you as a student, if you want to overcome perfectionism, you should avoid delaying tasks and submit it in order for you to become diligent, and you should avoid excessive planning. Fourth one, see every mistake as a privilege to learn new things. When you make a mistake, don't think that this is the end, that it is the end of the world. You see every mistake and you learn something from that mistake. Celebrate your achievement. When you are giving the results of your task back, you don't feel ashamed, but you celebrate the achievement that you made. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.